Finding the right belt sander machine can be challenging. Some models lack power, others struggle with precision, and many are not versatile enough for different workshop tasks. Whether you're shaping metal, sharpening knives, polishing wood, or working on DIY projects, a reliable belt sander machine can save time and deliver professional results. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 best belt sander machines available right now. We research specifications, features, and user feedback to create this list. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started.
Number 5. SucceSBuy 1.5 Kilowatt Belt Grinder Machine. The SucceSBuy 1.5 Kilowatt Belt Grinder Machine is a powerful option designed for serious workshop users and knife makers. Featuring a robust 1.5 kilowatt motor, it delivers impressive grinding performance for metal shaping, polishing, and sharpening tasks. The 2x82-inch belt system provides a large working surface, while variable and constant speed controls allow precise adjustments for different materials. With 3 operating modes, users can switch between tasks efficiently. Built for durability and heavy-duty performance, this machine is ideal for professional fabrication shops, custom knife making, and demanding grinding applications.
Number 4. Tungfull Mini Electric Belt Sander. The Tungfull Mini Electric Belt Sander is a compact yet highly versatile machine, perfect for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and small workshop projects. Its space-saving design makes it easy to place on a workbench while still providing reliable sanding and polishing performance. This machine excels at sharpening tools, smoothing edges, polishing small metal parts, and crafting projects. The sturdy construction helps reduce vibration during operation, improving control and precision. If you're looking for an affordable and practical belt sander for home use, the Tungfull Mini Electric Belt Sander is an excellent choice.
Number 3. CNEST 550-watt Desktop Belt Sander. The CNEST 550-watt Desktop Belt Sander offers a great balance between power and precision. Equipped with a 550-watt motor and operating at speeds up to 5,000 RPM, it delivers efficient grinding and polishing performance for a variety of materials. Its desktop design makes it convenient for workshops with limited space, while still providing professional-level results. This machine is especially useful for metal processing, jewelry making, tool sharpening, and detailed finishing work. The durable build and stable operation help ensure consistent performance, making it a dependable addition to any workshop.
Number 2. Beamnova Pneumatic Air Belt Sander. The Beamnova Pneumatic Air Belt Sander is a specialized tool designed for users who already have an air compressor setup. Powered by compressed air, it delivers smooth and reliable sanding performance without relying on an electric motor. The compact design makes it ideal for reaching tight spaces, curved surfaces, and detailed finishing areas that larger machines cannot access. It comes with multiple sanding belts, allowing users to start working immediately. Perfect for automotive work, metal fabrication, polishing, and precision finishing, this pneumatic sander offers excellent control and efficiency.
Number 1. ZJMZYM Shaft Sander Machine. Taking the top spot is the ZJMZYM Shaft Sander Machine, a unique solution specifically designed for sanding and polishing curved, irregular, and special-shaped surfaces. Unlike traditional belt sanders, this machine uses a sanding column system that adapts more effectively to arcs and contours. It is particularly valuable for woodworking applications where smooth, curved finishes are essential. The sturdy construction and specialized design make it suitable for furniture makers, woodworkers, and craftsmen seeking professional quality results. If your projects involve complex shapes and detailed finishing work, this machine stands out as a premium choice.
Choosing the best belt sander depends on your specific needs. The SucceSBuy offers professional grinding power. The Tungfull is perfect for DIY projects. The CNCEST balances power and precision. The Beamnova excels in pneumatic applications, and the ZJMZYM specializes in curved surface sanding. No matter your workshop requirements, one of these machines can help improve productivity and finish quality. Let us know your favorite model in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool reviews.